Hello guys, Top Boy here again. I'm here with this update. I'm gonna be showing you guys this website that you are gonna be mining trons for free without doing any tax. This is one of all those usual sites that you normally mine without doing any tax. But this one is somehow different because this one the like you're gonna be able to withdraw before 30 days. So this one is very easy to withdraw. That's why I'm making this video. Normally, I don't make video about all this website that don't normally do tax. So I will just post it on my Telegram. But I just want to make the video of this one. So I don't want this video to be too long. So just stay with me to the end and subscribe to my channel and join my Telegram channel. It's very important. You will see it on my video, like on my channel description. My YouTube, my everything is there. Even my Telegram channel, my TikTok, and every other social media. You can see it there. So just go there and join my Telegram channel. That one is very important. And subscribe to this channel also. So let me just show you what you are going to be doing here. It's very easy. You don't have to do much things. This one you just activate it and leave it. You don't have to do any other thing again. So let me open it. The name of the website is Robot369. So I'll be leaving the link to this website on the description box of this video. So just click it, and what you have to do here is you can see here that they write start mining. This place, that's what you have to do. So you will go and copy your Tron's wallet address. I don't know the wallet you are using. Just copy Tron's wallet address and paste it here. Like this. Now you just press this start mining and paste your Tron wallet address here. After that, it will show you everything. So I'm gonna open the main site now. I'm gonna paste my Tron wallet address here now, so I can show you how the site looks. As you can see, I have already pasted my Tron wallet address, and this is how it goes. As a welcome woman, get 5 trons in GH per second free for registering. Okay, this if you register, you will get 5 this one. So everything is that. The main thing here is here now. Yes, here is the website. Yeah, yeah. Here as you can see here now, I have already activated the mining. You don't have to do anything again. Just activate it and leave it and wait till you reach the minimum withdrawal so you can withdraw. So no much thing here. You can see this is a new account. I haven't referred anybody yet. So like there are some bonuses you will get for referring people. So if you are the kind of people that can gather much people, this website will favor you. You'll be able to withdraw more on this website. So just copy the referral link here and send it to your friends so they can register through your link, and you will get some bonuses and some commissions. So that's it. There is nothing you are going to do on this website. You just have to wait the mining and leave it. Nothing else. So that's it for today. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so anytime I post video like this, you get it. That's it for today. Thank you guys.